How to create an email marketing campaign with Zoho Campaign. Okay, first of all, we need to have the contact. Once we have the contact set up, we go to campaigns and click on email campaign. As you can see, campaigns can be either email or SMS. Okay, we click create campaign. In this case, we're making an email campaign. We can do A/B testing, which is very interesting. Okay, we can create a form, we can do a survey, okay, and so on. The usual choice would be a regular email. Okay, so we're going to give it a name, for example, test. We'll save and proceed. Now we'll add it's an email, that's all there is to it, okay? You add the subject, right? What's this about? Well, this is a test, okay? That's it. Obviously, don't actually write this, please, okay? Who are we going to be sending it to? Sorry, who's sending it? Okay, in this case, my email, or if you want to use another, you can, okay? The name, my name, okay? So one-click tutorial, okay? Click on save. This is the sender, alright? Then the recipient, who'll get it? Our contact list, okay? We want just one segment to receive it for A/B testing, got it? We create the segment, okay? If not, use the contact list. As you can see, I have none here. Click on save, then we create the content. Use a template or make our own. Making your own is easy, don't worry. Let's pick a template, okay? For example, this one here, we have the editor on the left, see? Add text, images, socials, spacers, dynamic content. We can add videos too. There's videos, found it, okay? How to add a video. Just select video, alright? Click video, select, and drag it. And you drag it and say, okay, what's the video name? What's the URL? Go ahead, put it in and they'll let you, okay? Same with the text, same with text and other tools, alright? And when you're done, you can view it, okay? There we'd have the view collected and all. Obviously, these are clickable, but since we used a template without changes, they don't work, okay? But this is the email they'll receive. And if we want, we can do an email test, okay? We send it to 5, our own email, and we can test it, okay? Let's send it to ourselves, come on. Okay, I've sent it. Let's go check it out. And look, there we have it, okay? With Happy International Friendship Day and all, okay? Plus, as you see, I can even save the images. So yeah, it's that simple, okay? This would be the message we'd receive. So yeah, I hope you liked it. We can show advanced options if we want to get a bit more picky and all.